Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a maintenance day. My appointment is at 9, so I have 10 minutes to spare. Honestly, I'm so glad that I was able to get here on time and stuff like that. Literally, I had 2 encounters right now of people being super rude, and it's just like, what's the reason? So, little reminder, when people are rude, don't let it affect you because it's on them, not on you. The way that others treat you is a reflection of themselves, not like you as a person. Again, today is going to be like a maintenance day, so I'm going to be getting my facial, and also I'm going to be getting a haircut. I had straightened my hair the other day so you guys can see how long it is, but I'm gonna be getting a cut. Okay, you guys, facial is done. Also, I'm just gonna keep my hair up. Oh my god, I look so red right now. The facial that I do, it's with extractions. She extracts everything. Also, since I have been picking at my face, there was some stuff that like she couldn't be able to touch because I had already picked at it, but she gave me this mask to put when I get to the house so that it actually stays on. It's 10:21. I'm gonna head to my house, make some coffee, and put this mask on. Probably watch some TV or something, or work on my computer, because then I have to get ready for my hair appointment. But yeah, that's basically it. Okay, I'm at home. I made some Trader Joe's, the pumpkin, it looks a little burnt. I mean, it is a little burnt. Pancakes, and then I just made some coffee. So I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna journal, and I actually have to leave for my appointment kind of soon, so I need to hurry. And I don't know if I should do this face mask because I'm gonna be like eating and stuff. So maybe I'll save it, or maybe I'll do it tonight. It's a good idea. I think I'm gonna do this tonight. This is how long my hair is right now, and we're gonna go get a cut. Hi guys, I got my hair cut earlier today and I styled it. It's so short and I love it. Also, I just woke up from a nap. I feel so tired, but yeah, I am obsessed with how it came out. Hi guys, getting ready for Swan. Cassandra, say hi. Hi. I have a huge mess here, but Melanie just got here. We're gonna be getting ready and I'll show you guys when we're all ready. But yeah, we're just gonna be doing hair, makeup. Okay, hi guys, we are all ready. Melanie, hello. Cassandra, ready. We are looking stunning, ready to go. We're gonna be jamming out to Bad Bunny while we get there. Okay guys, we're here and we're gonna be going to the restaurant, so I'm excited, I'm hungry. Okay, bag is Amazon, necklace is EP Jewels, top is Revolve, and then these jeans are Target, and then I think these heels are Steve Madden. I don't know. Next.
So this dress is from Amazon, my earrings and necklace is from Toast, this purse is from Victoria, and my heels are Steve Madden.
Yay! Okay, next.
Wait, okay, so this top is from American Eagle, these jeans are from Hollister, and then these sandals I have no idea, and then Victoria's Secret, and then I also have no idea, and then hoops are from Amazon.
Today is the day that my little Mariana finds out it's me. Basically in sororities, if you guys don't know, when you get a little, you basically do like a reveal theme. So today is like reveal day, and my theme is welcome to the Ivy League, and I'm going to be showing you guys the shirts that I got embroidered and the banner that I did. And then we set up like the whole car and everything like that, and the outfits are gonna look so cute. But yeah, it is, what time is it? It's 10:53 and I have to start hurrying up. I'm going to blow dry my hair because I want a sleek look. But yeah, I have to finish doing my makeup, getting ready, but I'm so excited. And yeah,
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We're taking pictures.
taking the outfit, yes, the outfit, the content, ready to go. Hi guys, we just gave birth. What's going on?
I was like, what?
Hi guys, I just finished filming this exciting project. I am kind of nervous, but I really tried my best, so we're gonna see how that project goes. But I'm really excited, and I know that everything is gonna go really well. But right now I'm going to eat something. It's 3 p.m. and I haven't eaten because I was filming this project all week. I've been like working at my job, so I didn't have time to film this. So I'm gonna get my nails done, and I haven't been to the salon in a while. My sister usually always does my nails, but yeah, I want to get kind of like an almond shape, short and black. So I want to do my hands and my feet, so it's probably gonna take a minute. And I'm gonna bring my computer because I haven't finished my homework for today. So we're gonna have to bring it, and I'm gonna have to finish my homework there because I don't know how long it takes. So while she's doing my feet, I'm gonna be like typing away. I also have to organize a lot of stuff, but yeah, this is gonna be like a maintenance day self-care vlog, just adding it all together because I could never do this all in one day. It's like bits and pieces. So yeah. Okay, also, since I'm already vlogging, might as well show you guys what I got as a little package from this brand. So exciting. I want to try all of these. These are all the goodies that I got. I got some hair mask, some hair wash. I've heard really good things about this, so excited. I am back at home, and I just made some hot chocolate, and it has a little baby marshmallows. This is like such a cozy mood. Okay, I'm gonna put on probably, I don't know. Okay, it's November, so I'm already gonna be in the Christmas mood. I'm gonna put like a Christmas movie, or actually maybe like a fun movie. I don't even know. I don't know. But I need to finish a discussion that is due tonight, and it's like 10. I don't have that much time, but I need to hurry up. I'm gonna be drinking my hot cocoa while I finish my discussion. I'm gonna be getting ready to go to lunch with some friends, so I'm trying to wake up. I'm really not sure why it takes me like a really long time to wake up. Like I was tossing and turning in bed, and right now it's 11, but it's a Saturday, so. And I'm trying this Arctic, I think it's Arctic, yeah, Arctic Vibe Celsius. Tastes pretty good. Tastes like blueberry. Yeah, I'm gonna start getting ready, doing my makeup, the whole thing. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. That little ice roll helped me a little bit, and I have to do my hair. I used the shower cap as like my bonnet last night, so I'm gonna see how my hair looks. Most of the time I don't do anything when I sleep, but I want to start trying to do that because maybe it can help my curls like stay, because every time I wake up it looks like a hot mess. But we're gonna see. Birthday celebration. After my